Hey guys, welcome to day 9 of my 12 days of Christmas. Today we have this blue spruce I call this a deconstructed plaid. What I did with the vinyl there, you'll see how I did that in the tutorial. It was kind of complicated. I had to kind of wrap my head around what I was doing in order to figure it out, but I really love how it turned out. I just think it's so special and festive without being like over the top Christmas. And this glitter is my absolute favorite of the Christmas glitters I did this year. It is Tree Farm, and this was today's Advent box number 9. You either got this or you got the Gilded Spruce glitter. Both beautiful, but this for some reason just was my absolute favorite of the year. It's just like that kind of minty teal green, but it's got the pop of blues, iridescent blue in there that just makes it like that Christmassy blue spruce kind of thing that I envision in my brain. Hopefully you guys like it. If you guys want to see this tutorial, let's get into it and make sure you come back tomorrow for day 10. Starting off with this 20-ounce mug. I got these off of Amazon. I will link them below if they're still available. But they're just kind of a simple mug. So taking off the lid and prepping with Mattify. Then I'm going to tape off the edges of the handle. I want to keep the handle silver. So I just wanted to tape that off so we didn't get any paint on there. Then going in with Teal Time Color Fix paint. Just doing a nice thick layer so we can apply some glitter. Then I'm going to go in with Tree Farm. This is my favorite glitter from the new Christmas glitters. It is so pretty. I cannot even put into words how much I love it. It's like the minty green with like a little tiny pop of iridescent blue, and I am obsessed. So just doing a full coverage with that glitter over the whole cup. Then I seal that with clear spray paint. Then we're going to go on with our first layer of epoxy. This is the Artistry 1-to-1 Fast Set. And I did one more layer after this before moving on to the vinyl. So I'm taking this blue and green vinyl. I feel like these two colors are really common in plaid designs and in Christmas designs, so I wanted to use them for this cup. So then I'm just taking my cutter and just doing some really thin strips. I think I did 4 of the thicker strips and then like a little bit smaller ones. So you can see here, I'm just kind of playing around and placing them where I think it would look good for our deconstructed plaid. And then I'll do the same thing on the bottom there, just opposite. So I took all my strips and cut them in half. And then I kind of laid it out again. Then I took a square sticker and just put that in the middle to kind of give me a guide so all my lines are straight. So I kind of just go on, starting on one side and working my way around the square. And I'm alternating blue and green. So one side will be blue, green, blue. The next side will be green, blue, green. So I just keep working my way around like that. And every time I place a new one down, I leave a little bit of the glitter showing, just like a tiny, tiny sliver. This was honestly really difficult for me to kind of put onto a cup. I had an idea in my brain and it took a while for me to kind of actually figure out how it would go. So I do the 3 lines, and then some of the lines that extend, I kind of fold under or over depending on where they are, just so we kind of have a crisscross pattern going on. So once those were all laid down, I went through and readjusted the ends and make sure they were all straight and really stuck down. Then I cut off the ends with a little razor blade. And it took me a little while to figure out, you know, the placement, but I ended with the one in the middle a little bit longer than the other 2. So just going around and cutting all of those. So I do the same thing on the sides, but I'm cutting horizontally instead of vertically. Then I went ahead and removed the square sticker from the middle. So then I took the thinner strips and laid it inside that square. And you can see I did 2 of the green and I'm doing 2 blue. And again, with the overlapping, you can just kind of move things around and overlap here, overlap there. So then I went through and cut those as well. Those skinnier ones I left a little bit longer. Then I'm going to take some nail tape. This is kind of like a gold silvery color. It's not really gold and it's not pure silver. It was right in the middle. And I'm laying those right in between the green stripes. So I just kind of went through every single one that was green and did the stripe in there. Or I did all 4 of the ones in the middle and I kind of put the gold to the side of it. Then I left those little strips a little bit longer than the other vinyl. That is what it turned out like. It took a long time to get here and I am very proud of this deconstructed plaid. So then I didn't want that to move, so I'm going on with some quick seal to just kind of seal in this vinyl and make sure nothing lifts or moves when we go on with epoxy. Then I cut out some vinyl in black and this pearly white. I made this little design that says Blue Spruce Co. I just thought it would be really cute. like a blue spruce tree, but also kind of a boutique feel. I don't know, I just thought it would be really cute to have it say Blue Spruce Co. I will link this down below for you guys if you want to use this little SVG. I will make a file for it. Now I'm going to use the ultimate tool from the Cami Page Boutique to put my vinyl on straight. I love this little tool. I will link it down below as well. It makes it so easy to get your vinyl on straight. It does a lot of other things too. So get that on there, smooth it out. Then it was time for 2 more coats of epoxy to finish off the cup. So once that was dry, taking it off the turner and replacing the lid. And this is how it turned out. I love it so much. Just everything about it. The tree farm glitter, the plaid, the blue spruce decal with the white pearl vinyl. It's so pretty. I can't even get over it. And this glitter is so amazing. I hope you guys love it too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you guys come back for day 10 tomorrow. Bye guys.